All right. Today, we will cut through the noise with science-backed health tips to help you live longer, stronger, and full of energy. Imagine this. You're in your prime, enjoying life. Maybe hiking with friends, dancing at a picture, reversing years of buildup, feeling your energy surge, your blood pressure drop and wedding, or just chasing after the grandkids. When suddenly, a silent threat starts building inside you. Plaque clogging your arteries, narrowing those vital highways that carry blood to your heart and brain. It's scary stuff. Heart disease is still the #1 killer worldwide, according to the World Health Organization. And clogged arteries are often the culprit, leading to heart attacks, strokes, and that constant fatigue you can't shake. But what if I told you that the key to cleaning them out isn't some invasive procedure or pricey pill? It's right in your kitchen. Everyday foods that naturally scrub your arteries clean, reduce inflammation, lower cholesterol, and keep your blood flowing like a crystal-clear river. Your doctor giving you a thumbs up at your next checkup, all by swapping in these powerhouse foods. Sounds incredible? Stick with me, because in this video, I'm revealing the #1 best foods to clean out your arteries, backed by the latest 2025 research from places like Harvard Health, the Mayo Clinic, and the American Heart Association. These aren't fads. They're proven artery clearers that lower bad LDL cholesterol, boost good HDL, and fight oxidative stress. I'll walk you through each one step by step. The science why they work, easy ways to add them to your meals, stories from people who've transformed their health, and pro tips to maximize benefits. And trust me, the top food? It's the undisputed champion that could change everything for your heart. Stay tuned for the big reveal. If you're ready to unclog your arteries the natural way, hit that like button if heart health matters to you. Subscribe with notifications on for more life-saving tips, and let's dive in. Your arteries are like pipes. If they get gunked up with plaque, a mix of cholesterol, fat, calcium, and cellular waste, blood flow slows, pressure builds, and risks skyrocket. But foods rich in antioxidants, fiber, healthy fats, and anti-inflammatory compounds can clean them by reducing plaque buildup, improving endothelial function, the lining of your arteries, and even reversing some damage. A 2025 meta-analysis in the Journal of the American College of Cardiology reviewed over 50 studies and found that diets high in these foods cut heart disease risk by up to 30%. We're not talking miracle cures. No food alone dissolves plaque overnight. But consistent intake prevents worsening and promotes healing. I'll share 8 top foods, ranked by impact, with the #1 at the end. Each includes dosage tips, recipes, and science from fresh 2025 data. Ready? Let's start with food number 8. Oats. This humble breakfast staple is a fiber powerhouse that scrubs your arteries from the inside out. Why oats? They're loaded with beta-glucan, a soluble fiber that binds to cholesterol in your gut, preventing absorption and flushing it out. A 2025 study in Nutrients showed daily oat consumption lowered LDL cholesterol by 5 to 10% in just 4 weeks, reducing plaque formation. Plus, oats' antioxidants like avenanthramides fight inflammation, protecting artery walls. The FDA even approves heart health claims for oats. How to eat them? Aim for 1/2 to 1 cup cooked daily. Try overnight oats with berries and nuts for breakfast. Pro tip: choose steel cut or rolled over instant to maximize fiber. Real story: Kelvin, 62, had borderline high cholesterol. He swapped cereal for oats. 3 months later, his doctor noted a 15% LDL drop. "I feel lighter and more energized. No meds needed," he said. Oats set the foundation, but what if we added something sweet and juicy to supercharge the clean? Our next food bursts with flavor and artery-loving compounds. Berry excited? Let's roll into it. Gliding into food number 7, berries. Blueberries, strawberries, raspberries. These tiny gems are antioxidant dynamos that actively clean your arteries by neutralizing free radicals that damage vessel walls. Berries' anthocyanins improve nitric oxide production, relaxing arteries and improving blood flow. A 2025 American Journal of Clinical Nutrition review of 20 trials found berry eaters had 11% lower LDL oxidation, the bad kind that sticks to arteries, and better endothelial function. They're also fiber-rich, aiding cholesterol excretion. Incorporate daily, 1 cup fresh or frozen. Blend into smoothies, top yogurt, or snack plain. Smart tip: frozen retain nutrients. Organic minimizes pesticides. Lisa, 55, with family heart history, added berries post-dinner. My blood pressure dipped and energy steadied. Doc said my arteries look clearer on scans. Berries protect, but for omega power, our next food swims upstream against plaque. Fishy? Food. Number 6. Fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, or sardines. These are omega-3 kings that reduce inflammation and prevent plaque buildup. Why? EPA and DHA omegas lower triglycerides, thin blood to prevent clots, and stabilize plaque. The American Heart Association's 2025 guidelines cite studies where 2 servings weekly cut heart event risk by 36%. A Harvard 2025 study added that omegas improve artery elasticity. Eat up. Grill or bake 4 to 6 O's twice a week, canned in water for convenience. Tip: wild caught for fewer toxins. Bob, 68, ate salmon regularly. His cardiologist noted reduced plaque after a year. From at risk to all clear, fish saved me. Fish oils the wheels, but nuts add crunch. Next food's a handful of heart health. Nutty about it? Let's crack open number 5. Cracking into food number 5, nuts, especially almonds and walnuts. These are packed with healthy fats, fiber, and vitamin E that scrub arteries clean. Nuts' monounsaturated fats raise HDL, good cholesterol, while lowering LDL. A 2025 Lancet meta-analysis of 60 trials showed 1 Oz daily reduced heart disease risk by 28%. Walnuts' alpha-linolenic acid fights inflammation. Daily dose: a handful, 1 Oz, mix in salads, yogurt, or trail mix. Tip: unsalted, raw to avoid sodium. Office worker, Gen 45, snacked on nuts instead of chips. Cholesterol improved 20%. Arteries feel cleaner, no more midday slumps. Nuts fortify, but oil takes it liquid. Our next is liquid gold for vessels. Pouring into food number 4, olive oil. Extra virgin variety is a Mediterranean marvel that cleans arteries with its polyphenols and oleic acid. How it works: it boosts HE, reduces oxidative stress, and thins blood. A 2025 pre-dimed study follow-up showed daily olive oil cut plaque progression by 30% in high-risk folks. It's anti-inflammatory, protecting endothelium. Use it. 2-3 TBSP daily. Drizzle on veggies, in dressings. Tip: cold-pressed for max antioxidants. Store dark. Italian grandma-inspired, my neighbor Maria used it cooking. Her scans showed clearer arteries at 70. Heart's happy, feels young. Olive oil lubricates, but a pungent bulb adds bite. Garlic's next, and it's a plaque buster. Smelly? Worth it. Let's peel it. Peeling back food. Number 3. Garlic. This aromatic allium contains allicin, which relaxes blood vessels and lowers cholesterol. Science. Allicin inhibits plaque formation and reduces blood pressure. A 2025 Journal of Nutrition review found garlic supplements, equivalent to 2 cloves daily, lowered LDL by 10 to 15% and improved artery flow. Raw or aged extracts work best. Add it. Crush 1 to 2 cloves daily in meals, soups, or tea. Tip: let sit 10 min post-chop for allicin activation. Story: Chef Paul, 50, garlic lover, reversed early plaque. From warning to wellness, garlic's my hero. Garlic fights, but a tart fruit pumps up the volume. Pomegranate's juicy secret next. Thirsty? Let's squeeze it. Squeezing in food. Number 2, pomegranate. Its juice and seeds are L-agitanin-rich, converting to urolithin, A that cleans arteries. Why top tier? It reduces plaque thickness and oxidation. A 2025 atherosclerosis study showed daily pomegranate lowered carotid plaque by 30% in 3 years. Antioxidants surpass many fruits. Consume 8 oz juice or 1/2 cup seeds daily, fresh or pure juice. Tip: no added sugar. Researcher fan Alex drank it. Arteries cleaned per ultrasound. Game changer for heart, pomegranate primes, but our number one? It's leafy, versatile, and the ultimate cleaner. Stay for the reveal. Finally, the number one best food, leafy greens like spinach, kale, Swiss chard. Nitrate-packed, they produce nitric oxide for vessel dilation and plaque reduction. Why? Nitrates lower pressure, improve flow. 2025, British Journal of Nutrition meta-analysis. 1 to 2 cups daily cut heart risk 15 to 20%, reversing endothelial dysfunction. Fiber, vitamins, K, C fight calcification. Eat salads, smoothies, sautéed. Nurse tip: organic, varied. Veggie convert. Sam, 60, cleared mild blockage. Greens saved my arteries. A quick recap. The best superfoods to clean your arteries. Greens number 1, pomegranate na 2, garlic na 3, olive oil na 4, nuts na 5, fatty fish na 6, berries 7, oats na 8. Meal plan: breakfast oats, berries, lunch greens, salmon, dinner garlic, olive veggies, snacks nuts, pomegranate. Bonus: combine with exercise. Try one today, comment your pick. Like, share, subscribe. Your arteries will thank you, and until next time, stay proactive and heart strong. Now the algorithms thinks you might like the suggested video somewhere up here.